So in today's video, I'm going to be curling my hair using petals gel. Yeah, so this petal gel is common in West Africa, so it's black in color, so I'm using it in replace of custard gel. Yeah, so like I did a video where a stylist used custard gel for the client, and people were kind of like, okay, I want to buy this custard gel, but it's too far, it's too expensive, a whole lot of excuses. Yes, I can understand, because the shipment is expensive. So you can as well use this. So if you are in West Africa, definitely you're going to see this, and if you're not in West Africa, you cannot find this, you can use eco styling gel in place of this, or any gel of your choice, in as much the gel is very thick. Well, first of all, use my argan oil. So you can use any one of your choice, any oil of your choice. Make sure your hair is wet, like my hair. I just washed my hair like an hour ago. Yeah, but it's still very well. And the shampoo I use is Head and Shoulder. So if you want to know what I said about this product, check the description section.